How can I log into my Coinbase account? To log into your Coinbase account, follow these steps. 1. Open your preferred web browser. 2. Type in the Coinbase website. 3. Once the Coinbase homepage loads, look for the Sign In button located in the top right corner. 4. Click on the Sign In button. 5. You will be redirected to the Coinbase login page. 6. On the login page, enter the email address or username associated with your Coinbase account in the designated field. 7. Next, enter your account password in the provided field. Pay attention to uppercase and lowercase letters. 8. If you have enabled two-factor authentication, 2FA, for added security, you will need to provide the authentication code from your chosen method, such as Google Authenticator or SMS. Enter the code in the appropriate field. 9. Double-check that all the login information you entered is correct. 10. Click on the Sign In button to proceed. 11. If the provided login credentials are accurate, you will be successfully logged into your Coinbase account. 12. You will then be directed to your Coinbase account dashboard, where you can access your account features, balances, and perform various cryptocurrency-related actions. If you encounter any issues during the Create account, contact support for assistance. Link in description box.